In any medical setting, quality care needs to stay central so organizations can focus on the physical and mental health of their patients. Changes in regulation and challenges with staff retention result in a need for increased digital transformation and solutions. FCX's suite of cloud and IT partner solutions can bring in a complete ecosystem of staff and patient-friendly hardware, WAN, and software applications. Ensure security, efficiency, and ease of use. FCX's solutions transform appointment setting, waiting room ambiance, and telemedicine. Cloud WAN solutions guarantee uptime of your internet connection, so all databases remain accessible around the clock. At FCX, we design and implement modern cloud solutions to ensure your data stays secure and ease of use is increased. Our cloud-based solutions are flexible and designed to increase HIPAA and FEDRA compliance and reliability with focus on creating modern, quality patient care.